So here we are on the other side of this unit now. This is where the damaged metal got removed, and he'll be putting that new piece on here shortly. Overall, Outdoors RV does a pretty good job of sealing the coaches. There is some stuff that we would recommend to this unit. So you can see all the putty tape that's here. As we go through the back side of the coach, I'll give you an example. You know, we got moldings that are shrunken, that are coming loose. And then you see this stuff here where this has been bleeding out. So a lot of times when the putty gets pushed out, it's because the wall itself is walking a little bit and it's causing the molding to force out the putty tape. Same thing on your windows. You know, on your windows itself, as you can see, the putty tape is bled out, and that's just a telltale sign that the window itself is moving, it's loose and shaking within the walls, vibrating just enough to help work it out. And that continues on all the way up to the top. It also comes over here on the other side as well. You know, on this window, you can see how thick it is here, where a piece of it just flat fell off. So I would recommend to do a body reseal, you know, clean and reseal all around all the items on the unit to prevent any water from getting in. There's gaps on the compartment door back here as well. So, okay, thanks so much for watching.